Hey, today's video, I'm going to explain why belts squeak. You may hear when you start your car up in the morning, it screeches and screeches like crazy, and then all of a sudden she catches, and then the engine runs a little smoother. Well, it's slipping. Basically, bottom line, why they squeaking, number one reason is that it's slipping. Okay? A couple of reasons. It's loose. That's probably the number one reason that it's loose. The belt is stretched beyond its specifications, or it's dry rotted. There's a couple of ways you can check it. You can either turn it around and look to see if you have any cracking. If you can't really get to it, like this one's accessible, you can have like a little inspection mirror. You can put it underneath and you can look at it and see, make sure it's not cracking. You see how it's nice and shiny? It should be replaced. Most new cars have an automatic tensioner, so you won't have to worry about that. As far as like if the belt gets loose, it's probably stretched beyond its specifications, and it's going to still squeak. Okay, they have things like this, belt dressing and everything. That's just a band-aid. If you watch my videos, I'm not into all these chemicals, because if these chemicals work, head gasket chemicals, whatever, the manufacturers would make them, or and sell them, but they don't. The aftermarket, they prey on your desperateness, and it's just like anything else. So just stay away from that junk. How do you know though that it's the belt and maybe it's not the pulley or the bearing inside the pulley? Well, when the car is running, you hear it squeaking. You can spray some water, okay, in that area, or maybe some Windex. You spray it. And if the noise goes away temporarily, then it's the belt. If the noise does not go away, then it's the bearing noise. I mean, I can tell the difference without even doing that, but for the average person, that's the best way to do it. Okay, so pretty much you would want to replace your belt if you hear it squeaking, or adjust it. If you have an older car that you can adjust it, you adjust it to the certain deflection. They have belt deflection tools that tell you how much it's supposed to have. And if it's an automatic tensioner, like this one is an automatic tensioner and it's still squeaking, replace the belt. All right, that's basically it. And if you don't replace it, it's going to fail in the worst possible time. You guys know that, and you're going to get stuck. A lot of times, these belts don't just run AC. They run the alternator, they run the power steering pump. So if the belt breaks, you're going to get stuck. All right, guys, just a quick tip. For Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like buttons. Any questions, just leave them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.